Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best magnetic featherboards is probably one of the most useful and often overlooked accessories for your table saw. In this video, we will explore why these unsung heroes deserve a spot in every woodworker's arsenal, examining their functionality, ease of use, and the significant impact they have on both the precision and safety of your cuts, ultimately helping you achieve cleaner, more accurate results every time you use your table saw. Number 5. FeatherPRO FP1 Featherboard. It virtually arrests kickback. The EVA material and living hinge design pinch the board against the fence and absorb kickback forces. This provides 5 times greater kickback resistance than plastic or wood feathers. It increases surface contact on your workpiece for a smooth glide and superior in-feed control. You'll notice a substantial reduction in the wiggle you get with plastic feathers. It's equipped with a 3/4-inch miter bar. It absorbs vibration and minimizes chatter for cleaner, more precise cuts. The non-marring feathers won't damage your workpiece or saw blade. The feathers are reversible, replaceable, and interchangeable. You can switch between standard and ultraflex feathers. They won't harm carbide blades or router bits, and they won't set off saw stop. It uses patented Anchor Pro miter hardware for a fast, strong hold in the miter slot. A T-bolt is used for expansion, and it includes comfortable ergonomic knobs. T-bolts are also included for T-track mounts. It comes with standard EVA feathers, 2 6-inch travel slots, and a 3/4-inch Anchor Pro miter bar. It also includes 2 ergonomic knobs and T-bolts for T-track mounting. What we like. It dramatically reduces kickback thanks to its unique material and design. If you prioritize safety and a smooth cut, this is the featherboard for you. Its superior feed control ensures a clean, precise cut every time, especially beneficial for delicate workpieces. What people say. The FeatherPRO FP1 is sturdy, with precision engineering that ensures it will withstand the rigors of regular use. It provides an unparalleled level of safety and precision when feeding materials through a table saw. The featherboard design, with its multiple independent fingers, securely holds the workpiece against the fence and table, preventing dangerous kickbacks and ensuring a consistently clean and accurate cut. Number 4. Magswitch 811-0015 Featherboard. This innovative featherboard is designed to enhance your woodworking experience. Its versatility and ease of use make it a must-have for any woodworker. Unlike traditional featherboards, this one can be used on either side of your table saw blade. This gives you incredible flexibility for various cutting tasks. It's the most versatile featherboard ever created. Use it on any table saw or fence without any limitations. It features 2 powerful Magswitches, each holding with 95 pounds of force. This ensures a secure and stable hold during operation. It allows for incredibly fast setups, precise positioning, and effortless tensioning. You'll achieve perfect cuts every time. It's constructed from high-quality, durable ABS material, ensuring years of reliable use in your workshop. Use it for left or right feed, or even in or out feed on your table or fence. It adapts to your every need. What we like. Its versatility is unmatched. It works on both sides of the blade and doesn't need a miter slot. If you need a featherboard that can adapt to any table saw setup, this is your best option. The quick and easy setup saves you valuable time in your workshop. What people say. Not only can you use it on either side of the blade, but because of this you can also use it on your other tools with a cast iron table such as the bandsaw and jointer with no miter slot required. The magnets are easy to turn on and off, and are quite strong. The switchable magnets mean you can stick it to the cabinet of your saw, then turn off the magnets to remove it and place it on your table, then twist the magnet switches and rip. Takes about 4 seconds once you have done it a couple of times. Number 3. Magswitch Woodworking Starter Kit. This kit is your new best friend for safer and easier woodworking. It includes everything you need to get started with precision woodworking. The reversible featherboard works with any push block for safe cuts on your table saw. Its low-profile design is perfect for even the smallest saws. The universal mounting base is the heart of the system. Simply attach your tool and place it on any steel surface for secure clamping. The mag jig uses powerful magnets to securely hold your tools in place. The on-off function makes setup and release quick and easy. Unlike other magnetic systems, it stays clean. The powerful magnet releases easily, preventing injuries from metal shavings. It's compatible with table saws, router tables, jointers, band saws, and more. It's small enough for even the smallest tools and spaces. The featherboard is reversible for left or right feeds, providing precise tensioning for safe and accurate cuts. What we like. This complete kit offers everything you need to get started with magnetic featherboards. If you're a beginner or want a versatile system for various woodworking tasks, this is perfect. The reversible featherboard and universal base allow for use on multiple tools and applications. What people say. The Magswitch works very well. The knobs are easy to turn and once set the unit does not move. It is easy to reset it as well. Clamping force is pretty rock solid on cast iron tables. Great ease of use, just twiddle the knobs. The plastic feathers seem to exert just the right amount of force. The Magswitches are awesome. This thing has made it trivial to cut thin stock and do close to the fence work I wouldn't have tried otherwise. Being able to position the featherboard right against the wood and reposition quickly and easily has made precise work so much easier. Number 2. Magswitch 811-0178 Featherboard. This innovative attachment is like having 3 tools in one, perfect for various woodworking machines. It significantly enhances safety and control during your projects. Use it on your table saw, jointer, band saw, or shaper table, anywhere you need precise workpiece control. It's compatible with most ferromagnetic woodworking equipment. When stacked with risers, it provides a dual featherboard hold, ideal for tall materials and preventing kickbacks. This setup offers superior protection on both vertical and horizontal planes. It features a quick, magnetic on-off switch for safe and precise positioning. Simply attach it to any steel table or cast iron fence. It seamlessly integrates with other Magswitch products like the reversible featherboard attachment, universal mounting base, and mag jigs, sold separately. Expand your woodworking capabilities. Magswitch technology is a global leader in work-holding solutions. Top brands worldwide trust it for its quality and performance. What we like. It adds extra support for tall workpieces, enhancing safety and control. If you frequently work with taller materials, this attachment significantly improves stability and reduces the risk of kickback. Its stackable design makes it highly versatile and adaptable to various setups. What people say. The featherboard attachment helps keep constant pressure on the board in 2 places. You can see it is very quick and easy to set up and remove. This item is both robust and durable and works flawlessly with the 30mm Pro Table Saw Magnetic Featherboard. This comes with a variety of adapters that allow it to be used vertically, as shown, and horizontally. Due to the magnetic hold-downs, the featherboard setups are delightful to use since they may be positioned anyplace on the table of the saw. Number 1. Magswitch Pro Woodworking Featherboard. This innovative featherboard is a game-changer for woodworking. It provides superior holding power and safety for all your projects. It's like having 3 featherboards in one. This keeps your work securely in place without any clamping or adjustments. Use it on your table saw, regardless of miter slot limitations. It works perfectly on both the fence and the right side of the blade. It's perfect for both in-feed and out-feed applications. It even acts as a base for stacking featherboards when working with taller pieces. It features 2 powerful on-off switches, each providing 150 pounds of magnetic holding force. Setup is quick and easy. It offers precise positioning and simple tensioning. Experience the difference of superior control and safety in your woodworking. What we like. This featherboard offers superior holding power and is incredibly versatile. If you need a featherboard that can handle demanding projects, this is the one. Its ease of use makes it ideal for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.